What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video today building a PVC water bar for the chickens. So as you can see, I got a gutter system going into a rain barrel, and that's going to get fed into the chicken run. So I'm going to build the pipe that I'm going to fasten to a couple of the 2x4s so that the chickens can drink and I don't have to worry about filling up the water every day. So let's get started. So to get started, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some poultry nipples. I decided to go with the horizontal ones so the chickens peck at it this way. There's no standing water, it doesn't get dirty. So if these work out well, I'll put a link to them in my Amazon store in the video description. But if they leak, then I'll tell you to get something else. You're going to need a 5/16 drill bit or an 11/32 drill bit to install these. This is a 3/4 inch threaded to 1/2 inch pipe here, so your garden hose will connect on this end and this will connect to the PVC pipe. 1/2 inch end cap, some standard PVC cement, and your PVC pipe. So this is a 1/2 inch PVC pipe. I got some 3/4 because I wasn't sure if this was going to be large enough, so I just ran a test hole right here. And that's plenty big enough, so no need for 3/4 inch pipe because I bought some extra fittings, but 1/2 inch pipe it is. This piece on one end, the cap on the other. I laid a string and just taped it down and threw a couple marks in here where I'm going to drill out all my holes. That way they're pretty much all on the same line so that all of these will be facing. I won't have one pointed at the sky and one pointed at the ground. They'll all be pretty much good to go. So I'm going to drill the rest of these out and get the poultry nipples installed. Next up, I'm going to use this attachment that comes in the chicken waterer kit. So throw this on the drill, helps screw these into the PVC pipe. So per the instructions on the kit, you want to leave 2 to 3 threads showing. So I just got these pretty close right now, so now I'll turn them all to where the bottom is on the bottom and the top is on the top so that they're all even. So I just ended up going with 3. They say 4 chickens per water nipple. We got 12, so that'll work because the other 2 that I put on were very crooked, so that would have drove me nuts. And I still have the 2 left over. I can make another bar if necessary, but this should be just fine. So now I'll throw a little PVC cement on the sides here and get the cap and the 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch threaded on this end, cap on this end. We're going to let that sit for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Then we'll get it installed over there, hook up the hose, and see if it works. So I'm going to be installing the water bar right here. Manufacturer recommends 8 to 10 inches off of the ground of your run. So I've already marked a pencil line at 10. So that will put the water bar right about here. So overall length is 16 3/4 inches for this water bar. Has 3 horizontal poultry nipples on here. I just cut 2 pieces of this steel strapping to approximately 4.5 inches, just bent them a little bit. So these will go on here and secure the water bar to the 2x4s. So I'm going to get that installed, and I'm going to connect the hose here. So this is your 3/4 inch threaded end, hooks up to your standard garden hose. Alright, so I connected the hose, and it's just gravity fed, so I made sure that the spigot for the rain barrel was higher than this water bar. I just threw together a little stand with some 2x4s pressure treated on the bottom. That was just scrap that I had left over from building the coop. So I'll probably like zip tie part of this hose to this base just to clean it up a little bit. But here you go. The chickens will just come in here, poke this, and the water comes out right here. And when I clear out the water, it's not leaking. These are spring fed, so this pipe will stay full of water. We'll have to see in the wintertime if I have issues with freezing. It doesn't get crazy cold here in North Carolina, but I know they make things that you can put in the rain barrel itself to help keep the water heated. So we might have to do that, but super simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't checked out the other videos on this chicken coop build, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please comment if you have any questions. See ya.